Go to your preferred browser and search for Google Drive download. Open the first link. Click on Download Drive for desktop. Then go to your File Explorer, go to Download folder, and here you will find Google Drive setup.exe. Launch the installer and go ahead and install the Google Drive on your computer. Once it's installed, come to this taskbar, click on show hidden icons, and here you will find Google Drive. Launch the Google Drive. If you're first time in Google Drive, log in with your Google account. Once you successfully logged in, select the Home tab. In here, click on Add More Folders to Sync. And now, from your computer, navigate to the folder, which folder you want to sync to your Google Drive. So in my case, I'm selecting this Photos folder and clicking on Select Folder. In here, check this option, Sync with Google Drive. Upload all files and folders, including photos and videos. If you edit or remove files, those changes will be automatically synced. So select here Sync with Google Drive. Don't select Backup to Google Photos. If you select this option, your computer folder will sync with your Google Photos. So we are going to sync our folders with Google Drive, right? So check this first option and click on Done. That's it. As you can see, I've successfully added this Photos folder to my Google Drive, and now this folder is automatically syncing with my Google Drive. Thanks for watching.